Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. It's me, Aksa, class 9, week 1, subject PST. I'm from Army Public School and College Khanewal, and this is the FSEX online sport program. Our today's topic is significance of ideology. Our objective is we will be able to know about the significance of ideology. Our success criteria highlight important points. First of all, the ideology, as you people know that the ideology mean the ideology is the set of the ideas and nation that is based on their ideology, and we got our separate nation Pakistan on the basis of the ideology. So the word ideology is come from the two words, the ideo and the logos, and it literally means the science of the science or the study of the ideas. And the ideology deals with the aspiration of the people, and the religion and the culture shape their thinking, which binds them together. Next is the significance of the ideology of Pakistan, protagonist of success, the bearer of the morality and good character, development of the new Islamic world, inevitable of our country and nation's safety, source of the religious power, ideology of Islamic State. It means that the man has been sent to the world with some purposes. The purposes life never get success. The existence of nations is reflected through their ideas. Ideas create consciousness of the purpose among the nation. These ideas lead the nations toward the success, and this is the protagonist success is that we got the success at the end, and it is our ideology that we want a separate nation, so that's why we get the success. Bear the morality and the good characters. Good character is it's a really a matter, and ideas provide the foundation to the political, economic, social and cultural movement and the development of the new Islamic world. And so we want the separate nations. This is our ideology, so that we want to our lives according to the teaching of Islam, according to the Sunnah and a hadith that was said by the Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the ideas are the axis around which life revolves. It is the second name of the motivating forces, and the ideas provide the discipline to the various aspects of the human life, inevitable for the country and the national safety. And this is why the significance of the ideology is based on the national safety, source of the religion power and ideology of Islamic State. Ideas provide the discipline to the various aspects of the human life. Ideas determine the national duties and the rights. Ideas is just like something which is invisible, but the nation look live and the dynamic because of it. If a nation ignores its ideas, it endangers its existence, and some new ideas tries to merge this nation and changes its identity. So this is the significance of ideology, and the meaning of the ideology of Pakistan is that the Pakistan is an ideological state. It is based on a specific philosophy of life, and based on and its basis is the religion of Islam. This religion has been the practice for centuries. This is the basis that the caused by the movement of Pakistan. The ideology of Pakistan is the ideology of Islam. No doubt the Islamic ideology is the foundation of the ideology of Pakistan. Now see the significance of ideology. Every nation has specific goals. To achieve national goals, there is need of ideology that leads the people of the nation in the right direction. Yes, the people want their separate nation, so that's why they just want to live on a humble life, a peaceful life. So that's why they want this. To achieve the settled goal, ideology proves helpful in the following ways. Ideology pursues a nation towards purposeful life. Ideology keeps people of a society united. Ideological nation face no problem in legislation because basic principles already exist in the form of the ideology. Yes, that's why in the form of the ideology, there the rules and regulations and the laws are made. So that's why there is no disturbance in the country. This is all due to the ideology. Ideology plays vital role in national identity. It discriminates a nation from others. So this is the ideology. Now the definition of the ideology of Pakistan is that the ideology of Pakistan is the name of the is creating a society based on the principle of the Quran and the Sunnah. And the definition of the ideology is that the ideology of Pakistan is the name of practicing the principles of Islam. It is also the name of thinking to get the laboratory to test these principles. The ideology of Pakistan is the name of steps that were taken for the security of principle of the political, social, cultural, and economic values of the Muslim. The ideology of Pakistan is the name of the practical effort for establishing the rules of Islam and strengthening the unity among the Muslims without losing the nation identity. The ideology of Pakistan is the name of a welfare state where the welfare of the people is considered. So this is the card that. This was the definition of the ideology of Pakistan. I think you people understand the significance of the ideology. What is the significance of the ideology of Pakistan? Next is the what is the meaning of the ideology of Pakistan and the definition of the ideology of Pakistan. I think you people understand it very well. Now learn the short question number 4 and write it in your registers. Any question? If you have any question, discuss with me on by the mail. I will answer you positively. Thank you so much, and take good care of yourself and learn it by heart. I hope you people understand it very well. Thank you so much.